In this video, I will show you how to configure auto reply or vacation response with Gmail. Step 1. Log in your Gmail. Now click setting in the right side corner. Next, you will see all settings. Next, click general tab. Then go down of the page. Then find the out of office auto reply option. Generally, this option has turned off. Now I will turn it on, and here is the option first. First day, that's mean which date your start leave. After that, there is another option, last day, that's mean your end day of leave. Then you can mention the subject. Next, in the message box, you can write a customized message. That message will send auto reply to the sender. At last, there is another option, only send as a response to the people in my contacts. It means if you check this option, only your listed contact person could send you mail. If you uncheck, anyone can send you mail during the leave. Now the option is save sends. That that's done everything. Thanks for watching.